Hello, I'm Patricio Marcos. I will be explaining how to get the antiderivative of a cosecant squared. This is an easy example, so we can later on make a more difficult example. So this is just a simple example to know how to get the antiderivative of a cosecant squared. So the first thing you need to know is that the antiderivative of cosecant squared is equal to negative cotangent of the x. So here you put an x. Okay, so here we have the integral. The first thing you need to do is to find the u. The u is going to be something that can later on cancel with something else in the equation. So if my u is cosecant squared of 2x squared, that's not going to be possible because you cannot cancel the cosecant squared with anything else. So my u is going to be 2x squared, so it can later on cancel with the 10x. So my u is going to be 2x squared, which you now derivate normally, which will be 4x. Okay, so after you get 4x, you're going to put it in the equation as du over u prime. To do this, you copy the equation normally, but instead of putting the 2x squared, since it's your u, you literally just put a u, and then you put du over your u. You can make it this way.
U prime.
Okay, over u prime, yes. So then you just simply cancel what you can cancel, which in this case it will be the 10x with the 4x, which you cancel the x's and you get 10 over 4. And 10 over 4 is the same as 5 over 2. So, I'm going to go here, and just to make it clear, you will now have 5 over 2 cc squared over u. And then, well, that's all you have. So now you are literally going to copy your u. The u always stays the same. And now you're going to use the antiderivative of CSE squared, which is negative cotangent of x, and you're just going to change it, and that's all. So you take out the integral because you already found the integral, and your answer will be 5 over 2. You can put the negative here or here. I prefer to put it here. Negative cotangent of your x, of your u. I'm sorry. Your u is 2x squared. It stays the same. 2x squared. Very important. You cannot miss the c. Plus c. You know if there was something else in the equation. So this is my final answer. Just gonna leave it in a square here so it's clear. And this is how you get the antiderivative of a cosecant squared. Thank you.
To solve this problem, the first thing we need to do is find our u, which is sine with 2x. We find the derivative for this problem, which is negative 2 cos 2x. After we have our u prime, we need to write the whole problem again. But this time, instead of writing our u, we write our du with our u prime. So our u prime is negative 2 cos 2x.
Mr. Chousal, is the cosine squared gonna cancel with, the negative 2 cosine of 2x is gonna cancel with the negative 2 cosine of 2x?
Of course, that's why we found our u to begin with. So this cancels with this, and we're left with the CSE squared. Now we can use our rule that we learned in our other class.
The one of negative cotangent?
Yeah, this one right here.
Oh, I'm smart.
So now we know that CSE squared leads to negative cot. So we can do negative cot with sine 2x.
El U.
And this is our answer.
No.
Mr. Chousal, I think you're missing a C. The constant.
Constant.
Oh yeah, and yeah, we're missing the plus C right here. You're so helpful. Thank you.
You're
Pato.
welcome, teacher.
I'm gonna give you a gold star.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.